Welcome back, dudes. In this episode, we're going to be replacing the headlight switch on a 99 Chevy Astro. This is Project Bad Astro. You should check it out. Got a bunch of links up here. Basically, I tried to tow this boat home, and the trailer was wired incorrectly. And every time I tapped my brakes, one of my turn signals was coming on. And I thought I could just make it home and not use my brakes much, which I did. But now none of the illumination works on the dash or inside the van. I still have headlights, I still have turn signals, I still have brake lights, but like nothing lights up at night. So we are going to, I checked all the fuses and they all looked good. Maybe I missed one, that's happened in the past. But I think it's a headlight switch. So I got this thing. I think it's the right part number, but in order to replace it, you need to pull the dash, which is annoying. I'm pretty sure you got to take this off right here, a couple under here, and we're going to drop this lower panel, and then I think we can flex some of this upward or something. I don't really remember. I haven't done it in a while, so we'll figure it out. Alright, so before I put everything back together, I just slapped the switch in here, and we're going to see if the dash lights up now. If not, that's going to be real annoying. Still no dash lights. God damn it. Alright, so I've been sniffing around. This is the service manual with a wiring diagram. Been using my Milwaukee tool meter, which I helped design, so if you want to buy one, you should do that. Link down below. And I found I was not getting current on the orange illumination circuit, and that said it's fuse number 9. And I don't know.
Wait, I'm sorry. What's it called? What was it?
Fuse number 9.
What was that word?
I checked all the fuses.
You. Twice now. I've been right saying, are you sure it's not a fuse?
Yeah.
And he says, I checked all the fuses.
It's a fuse.
Yeah.
So I guess I didn't need to do the headlight switch after all, so I hope you enjoyed the video on replacing the headlight switch and taking the dash apart and everything for no reason when you could have just checked the fuse. So, awesome.
You learned something.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
You're in charge of fuses from now on.
I think that might be wise.